The product I was using was in Panasonic, and the issue was it was not upgradable. So I wanted to change, and I was given an option of Matrix. If technology is good, why not? I was using one PRI card first, then upgraded it to 2, and then few digital cards were added, and then analog card was added to it. So I have been upgrading extensions and digital phones and number of PRIs. We have been using in 100 user EPBX in the current office where you are sitting in, and then I have 5 offices connecting to this office via some Matrix VoIP solution. We have been dialing to those offices through Matrix Setu product. I just called the person who was responsible for Matrix in the region, and it was done in 2 days. I got the card, it was installed, started working in the next day. The only downtime which we have is after the upgradation you need to restart it once. So 3 minutes after every upgradation. And upgradation is not every day, it's once in a year or twice in a year. So it would be 5 minutes in total in a year. That is 2 restarts. I'll say no issues till date. And this is in 100% MNC. So cost was never in criteria. It was, we wanted a product which we can upgrade almost every 6 months. This company is growing like anything. So we needed a product which can be upgraded, maybe in terms of feasibility, maybe in terms of technology. So I found this product very interesting because I can add in as number of cards I want. I can add in as number of products I want. I can add in whatever technology I want. I didn't know this product is compatible with VoIP solutions when I bought it. Then finally realized I can put all my branches connecting to this EPBX and everybody dialing in, dialing out. This company was going for an 100% VoIP solution. But at that time we were forced to buy an analog switch, and I didn't want to invest on Alcatel and other products like them, because in analog, they're far behind than the other products like Panasonic or maybe Matrix, or there are Toshibas, Alcatel or other, if I say Cisco, they're kind of 100% VoIP and 10% of analog. Why I'm saying 100% plus 10%? Because they are not even focusing on analog. They are 100% focusing on VoIP solutions. So I wanted somebody who is focusing more on analog and lesser on VoIP, because VoIP was the least criteria for me. We already have a VoIP solution which is designed in-house by the organization with the support of a company. We are the only client of that company worldwide. If I say my organization is world number 1 in the business of PIDG, that is marking and coding, and we are hosting a call center in-house. So I should not say how critical. Everybody should understand, if I am hosting a call center in-house, how critical it is. This organization was in India for almost 10 years, but for first 6-7 years we were operating, we had branch offices, people were dialing into branch offices and getting support. Now all the support services and sales services are centralized to headquarters. So all the support people have centralized. We have a call center for support. All the sales services are again centralized. So we again have a call center for sales team. So I have an inbound and an outbound call center in-house, and this EPBX is in backbone for those guys. If I say clients are in India and especially in NCR, because I have seen the NCR support, I am not aware about the support services of other regions. Maybe they are as good as NCR, or maybe they are even better. I have already used Cisco, I have used Matrix, I have used Panasonic. If I say Matrix would be in top 2 or 3. I have been using EPBX for last 6 years in different organizations, and it would be in top 2-3. It totally depends how good is Matrix support all over India. If somebody gonna tell me it is even better than NCR, maybe I can go back to my vendor and tell him I need better support. As I told you, I was using Panasonic earlier, so I definitely had Panasonic in mind. I was using Toshiba in last organization, so I had Toshiba in mind. Now somebody proposed me Matrix. I recalculated everything and found Matrix was a better product in terms of feasibility in the organization, because I knew my organization would be growing in next 3 years. So we wanted to buy something which can be upgraded for at least 3 years. Maybe every 3 years technology changes. So maybe next year we're going to change the PBX or something. I was given 4 options and found whatever I'm using would be the best solution. We were at 50 users at that time. Now we are on 75, and I knew we will not be 100 after 3 years. So I wanted something between 50 to 100, and that is upgradable and changeable between analog to digital phones. So this was the product which I found, that I can have a mix match of digital to analog and upgradable till 100 users.